Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're making a dish that's perfect for a special occasion or just a delicious weeknight meal. Char-grilled beef tenderloin with a zesty lime marinade and fresh, vibrant vegetables. This recipe is simple yet elegant and packed with incredible flavor. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. For the beef: 1.5 pounds beef tenderloin, 4 cloves garlic, minced 1 lime, zested and juiced 1/2 cup olive oil, kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste for the vegetables. Choose your favorites. Asparagus, red capsicum, bell pepper, corn on the cob potatoes, zucchini, olive oil, salt, and pepper. The key to this dish is a flavorful marinade. In a small bowl, whisk together the minced garlic, the zest and juice of 1 lime, and a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Add a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Now place your beef tenderloin in a large Ziploc bag and pour the marinade over it. Seal the bag, making sure to squeeze out as much air as possible, and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 90 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let's prep our vegetables. I'm using asparagus, red capsicum, and corn on the cob, but feel free to use your favorite seasonal veggies. I'll roast the capsicum and prepare the asparagus and corn for grilling. Cut the capsicum into chunks and toss it with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper before placing it on a baking tray. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to a high heat. While it's getting hot, take the beef out of the refrigerator to bring it to room temperature. This helps it cook more evenly. Once the grill is hot, brush the grates with a little oil. Place the beef tenderloin on the grill and sear it for about 3-4 minutes per side for a perfect medium rare, or longer depending on your desired doneness. You want a nice char on the outside. While the beef is cooking, add your vegetables to the grill, turning them occasionally until they're tender and have beautiful grill marks. This next step is crucial for a juicy, tender steak. Once your beef is cooked, remove it from the grill and place it on a cutting board. Cover it loosely with foil and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and delicious. Now it's time to slice the beef. Cut it into thick slices against the grain. This makes the meat incredibly tender. Plate your sliced beef tenderloin next to the char-grilled vegetables and serve with a final squeeze of fresh lime for a pop of brightness. And there you have it, a beautiful and delicious char-grilled beef tenderloin with lime and vegetables. Enjoy!